Okay, from today we are starting rigging. Okay, so here what you have to do is just pick rigging here. Okay, um, basically, like I think like you know what is rigging in SEM3. You know the basic. I think we have done for leg and hand part for the rigging. So do you remember that hand and leg part what we have done? By Bungamdi.
So, yes, we remember it. So.
Okay, now this time we'll do advanced rigging. In skeleton, normally we have create joint, insert, mirror, remove. These are the basic default stuffs with that, and we play with, like we work with IK handle. This time, like we'll see what is spine handle and all. And along with that, in skin, we'll see what is bind skin, paint skin white, mirror skin. These things we'll see. And along with that, there are few deformers are there. Okay. And there are few non-linear deformers are also there. These are part of animation also. Anyhow, this deformers, we'll see that also. Okay, blend shape is for like facial expressions. For example, when you see character animation and all, like in movies and all, you see a lot of expressions, right? So for example, if I just go to blend shapes, um, character, blend shapes, you get multiple blend shapes. For example, this one. Um, Let me take this as an example. This is one particular shape. See the same character, multiple blend shapes are there. Basically, this is a combination of rig and modeling along with, like finally to execute, obviously we need to do with animation controllers. These are blend shapes. Okay. We'll see these things and all, but we will start with joint setup. As you all know, like how to create joints and all. For example, so what we did in for the leg part is we create thigh, knee, ankle, ball, and toe, right? And that's how it is, right? This leg part and all. This is what we created earlier. And we did add IK handle, which is RP solver. RP stands for rotate plane. SC stands for single chain. I'm just picking RP solver from thigh to ankle. That's what we did, right? And we created reverse foot technique and all. So this is how the leg was working, right? So today what we'll do, we'll try to set up rig for an animal character. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just go to, I need to, once I'll be downloading a character. Okay, an animal character. um, which animal will download? Let's see, animal 3D download. Let's see free animals. I'll go to free3d.com. There are so many animals, right? See, like you have black dragon rigged is there, wolf is there, you have cat, bear, but which one is free? Let's download that. Okay, you no need to pay. There's something alien animal is there. Okay, this is a blender, but make sure you download either obj fbx or ma or mb. fbx works, obj works. Dot max is for 3D Studio Max. Okay, DAE also work, FBJ also works. If you see here, you blend for Blender software, Unity for Unity software, OBJ works, DAE, FBX, all this will work. So I'll just click on this particular one. This is looking something like this. Okay. So what I'll do, I will download .fbx. Okay. So let me start downloading this. I will download FBX. It is downloading here. So these are the free softwares, like websites wherein you can download free models, not only animal, character, creature, buildings, so many things. Okay, I'll just go to downloads and I have this. Okay, so this one, let me just extract here. Or okay, I have it here. It is opened here. So let me just, I'll see what is there inside this. You have only one file, that's okay. So this one, let me bring this into Maya. I think already this is animated. The means rigged character. Let's see how does this looks. Great. This is awesome. So I'll just turn off joints. Nice rig. Oh, see. So first thing, view, select camera. Um, I think the character is already animated up to here. So I'll just go to 40. Right? Nice. Okay, fine. Let me do one thing. I'll just take another one. This is already rigged. I can pick something else also. Horse model is, like it's really good to do rig and all. Mm, Okay, let's do one thing. Let us try to create a simple rig first. Okay. So for that case, I can take dog is also good. Or else cat. Let's see with cat. Okay, let me download cat. Fine. The cat one is downloaded. Show in folder. Extract the files. Okay. It's here. Low poly cat. Let me take DAR. Fine, you have a cat model. That's great. So I think let's start working on this one. First thing, let me make it smaller. It should be even smaller, something like this. Okay. Minus 90. So what I'll do, edit, delete by type history, modify, freeze transform, so that I'll freeze everything. Okay. In the smooth mode, the carrot looks like this. Let it be in hard mode for now. Keep this in a layer, and this is model. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this in template mode so that you can see the model like this. So first things first. See, I would like to do only the half part of the rig first. Then I'm gonna duplicate, especially the leg part and all. I'll do only half. Then I'll do the mirror. Okay. And body, what is there here? The spine part, tail, and all. It will be full. Whereas only the leg part and all, it will be half. Okay. So I'll show you how to do that. So first thing, let's start with the leg part. First, I'll go to skeleton. Any doubts up to here? Any doubts, Vaibhanga, MD? How to select the characters? Any doubts?
Is the character only modded character, say, or it's already rigged?
You can download rig. You can download. Basically, you can download character along with the rig. Okay, not only just rig. You can download the characters as well. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll go to create joints. So very first thing is I need to work on the leg part. First think where the thigh is. Okay, and you just have to you need to be really sure which part is where. So basically this is the thigh part, and I'll feel one joint here, another joint here, and this is kind of our pole vector has to be here, means the direction of this particular joint, it should always be in the back side. It will not come in the front side. Okay, then here one joint, and then one joint here. Okay, that's how it is. So once if you have decided, then one joint here, this is for the thigh part, and this is for the ankle part. See, each and every joint for even the other animals and all, it is different. I'm just taking this particular name just for your reference. Okay, and okay, now considering the movement, see, cat can rotate this particular part, this joint. Similarly, cat can rotate this also. So rotate in the sense, like only up and down. So considering that, I'm just giving one here and one here, and I press enter. Now I feel the joint size is looking quite big. So what I'll do, I'll go to display, under display, animation, joint size. I'm gonna reduce the size here. This is only for the display purpose. This is not gonna affect any influence or anything. It's not gonna affect the influence of one joint to how much area. It's not gonna affect, only for display purpose. Okay. Now, now let me name this. So this is the left leg I'm working on. One is the left leg and this is back. Okay. So what I'll do, left, I'll call it as LT. For left, I'll call LT, LT left. That is what I'm just calling it as lefty, LT underscore. This is back side, right? BK, back. Okay. Then underscore thigh. Okay. Then press down arrow, you get to see this. Means you can select this or select this manually. Again, this LT underscore back BK underscore, this is ankle. Similarly, LT underscore BK underscore. This is ball. Similarly, lt underscore vk underscore toe. Okay, naming is really important. Okay, so this is what I have placed here. Now I'll go to create joints again. First is I'll create one here joint which um, mm, here in this place 1 2 3 or else okay I'll add one joint here. See, this is reverse foot technique. I'm just thinking I can create to work on it. If not, also I can do. Okay, let me have it. One I'll place here. One. Okay, just think of the position. Straight to this you add one straight. 1 2 3 and 4. Press enter. This is a reverse joint. So what I'll do, I'll select this joint. See, everything is in the center. We need to move this. That we'll do later. Okay. So this is LT underscore back underscore heel. Okay. LT underscore back underscore. Okay. Before this is a reverse, right? Reverse underscore. This is toe. So before that, like let me just copy rest of the things so that naming will be easy for me. So similarly, I'll just give reverse. This is ball. Similarly, this one, I'll just paste it. This is ankle. And this should be heel. I just created it like this. Now, this is one, this is one. I need to move this to the center of this leg part. Back leg. So let's see how does this looks here. Whether it is inside the body or not, that we need to see. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I select this. I press insert in your keyboard, insert key is there. If you press insert, you can move only the pivot of this. Okay, only that particular joint. You need to press insert, move. If insert is not there, you can press D. It will change to this position and you can move. Only one position I'm gonna move because I want the influence to happen towards this particular side, right? More towards this side. So that's the reason. See, I'm just placing it like this. Okay. Or else I can just place it here also for the leg part. I can add one more joint here later. I think this is okay. Then press W. It works. Now, see, I have done it here, right? Any doubts up to here, Bayabanga, Banda? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now I'm selecting this. I'll go to skeleton. You have mirror joints. Okay, so first thing you see in which axis you have this joint. So when you look at this, this is YZ. This is X. You have it in X axis, X and Z. Let's see. So I'll just go to skeleton mirror joints. You need to change this to YZ. change this to YZ. YZ, why I'm saying YZ is, see, you can see this is YZ. From positive to negative, it will go. Okay. Then you need even the naming convention. Okay. Currently, everywhere I have mentioned LT, right? LT stands for left. Otherwise, I need to create on the right leg also, and I need to rename it. So there is some sort of automation in this. Search for LT, replace with RT. So what happens now? Automatically Maya will search for LT joints. LT stands for left and replace with RT, RT for right. So see now, automatically in this position, you got the joints. Automatically you got the joints. Similarly, I'll take this heel part, reverse heel. Again, search for LT, replace with RT. You got it. See, simple. Now both the leg part, it is done, right? Similarly, we'll do for the front part. So what I'll do, again, I'll just go to skeleton, create joints. Same way, let me see. Okay, one I can place it here. Okay, you can observe there is something here, this joint. Okay, so I'll place one and two and one. Okay, one. Okay, it's like this. Thigh, kind of knee, ankle, ball toe. Okay, so now what I'll do again. Okay, this is front, this is not back, right? So I'll just mention FR underscore and I'm gonna copy all this. So after that, this is thigh. Then I'm gonna click and I'll change the name front. This is kind of knee only. This is ankle. This is ball. And this is toe. Okay. Similarly, I'm gonna create reverse joint also for this. When I place it here, this is for heel, ball, toe, toe, ball, ankle. Enter. So I click here. This is front, reverse. So just copy this. Then this is heel. This is toe. This is ball. And this is ankle. Naming is must. Why? Because at the time of skinning, this is really, really important. So now I'm gonna move this. I look at the center part. Then I'll come to perspective to see whether it is placed properly or not. So what I'll do, I think towards left a bit. Okay, this is done. This is placed properly now. Now coming at this particular part, I select this, press D, just move little, press W, it's done. And this one, select this, press D, this should be here, even towards left. And this, it's here. Let me just check here whether it is proper or not. Yeah, these things are proper. Now I select this one. I select this, go to skeleton, mirror joint, so turn on YZ, search for LT, replace with RT, apply, same thing, apply, close. See? Now if you just click here, this is right front thigh, right front, ankle, reverse, all those things are done. Okay. So what I'm doing is basically joint setup we are doing. So I'm gonna save this as for rigging, cat rig, cat rig underscore. This is our joint setup, right? Joint underscore setup. So this is step one. So 01 underscore. So I'll mention as 01 cat rig joint setup. Our second will be IK handles, adding IK handles. For now, let's create joint setup first. Okay. So any doubts up to here? Bayabunga, and IMD. Just let me know if you have any doubts.
Okay. It's clear, sir.
Okay. See, this is more into technical part. While working also, you'll get a bit more doubts. Okay. So don't hesitate to ask. So now coming to the other part wherein spine or tail. So first thing, see, I'm doing step by step. For tail, let me add one main controller for tail here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enter. So I have added 8 joints here. The purpose, like is because I select this joint, right click, I'll go to hierarchy, select hierarchy. I can animate this in this way. See, I can do something like this. Okay. So it's like that. See, this is one, and you can do like this tail animation and all. So that when we do with hierarchy only, it happens. Similarly, let's create spine. Great. Okay. Now, again, what I'll do for spine part here, I'll be having one main controller. This is kind of a cog controller. Then for this particular joint, I'll have one spine controller. Total 5 joints will be there here for spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the fifth one. Then coming to the base neck one for the neck part. Then I'll come to one here. From this is for the head part. From there, I'll just take jaw, click one here and jaw, then press up arrow, you go up, means it will go back. From here, I click one for the eye here like this, one here and one for the eyeball, go up. Then from here, I'll go to head. Okay. Then I'll come to front view. Since I have taken this for the head part, from there, I'll add for one this ear and this ear and enter. So what happens for the left, I have added here. Okay. So naming is must. So I select this. I name this as, this is left ear, LT underscore year underscore 1. Similarly, this one ALT underscore year underscore 2. So I select this, I can mirror joint. See, automatically with connection it comes for the right. So what I'll do later, this you have connection and all. So I'll start connecting maybe in the next session. So what you have to do is you need to do up to here. I will share you the CAT model also, the same model. You do the joint setup up to here. Okay. Understood? Banga, MD Banda.
Yes, sir.
Fine then guys,
So,
I'll share you.
I
Yes.
had a question about lighting, sir.
Lighting. Okay. I think the call is getting ended. Can we connect with the same link again so that we can discuss?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think call will get ended in less than a minute. We'll connect again. Okay. I will join
Okay.
immediately. You guys also join immediately.
Okay.
Okay, great. So, but anyhow, I'll upload this video.